Here is lesson 43 for flute. We will play numbers 99, 100, 101, and 102. You should have already looked through them and be ready to go, so let's play number 99. 1, 2, ready. Alright, you should have noticed that was forte the entire way through. If you did not play forte, and if you did not do your slurs correctly, do it again. Alright, moving on, number 100. You know by now to look for key signature at the beginning of every line. Not just every piece of music, but every line. You should look for the key signature because sometimes it'll change. And if you're not paying attention, you'll play wrong notes. Alright, number 100. 1, 2, ready. Did you get your E naturals or did you play E flat? If you played E flat, then you didn't listen to what I just told you. Okay? You have to look at key signature. Playing music wrong, might as well not play it. So make sure you focus on doing it correctly. Okay? Let's move on to number 101. You notice there's a different key signature because you're aware of it now. So let's play it. 101. 1, 2, ready. Sounds different, doesn't it? With the exception of the last two measures having different notes, it looks the same until you look at your key signature and realize it's not the same. Alright, before we get to our last number, which is 102, let's talk about our code word. Our code word is slur. We've had a lot of slurs. Okay, number 99, number 102 are full of slurs. Okay, here we go, 102. Still forte. 1, 2, ready. Now, if you've been practicing your scales in the back, then this number sounded very familiar to you. It sounded like the very bottom scale on page 42, our chromatic scale. If you haven't looked at that yet, go ahead and look at that because that will open up every note that you can play on your instrument. That was lesson 43. Thanks for joining me.